Yo, what it do? Here's a quick tip on a tire repair. If you don't have a big tub like some tire shops do for them to submerge a big tire, this is a 22. I'm not gonna fill up a tub and do all that. That's a lot of water to waste, especially right now, right? So, best thing you can do, bam, soapy water. Just go around spraying it. And it's better. It's actually better than just plain old water. Because if you just use water, it'll just bubble up. You get like little. But with soapy water, you get all the suds. So like, you don't have to go around marking the rim or nothing. Like, oh, I got a spot here. I got a spot here. It pretty much it gives itself away. If it's a steel rim, you could beat on it. Heating it up will help out. I'm not doing that. It's an old rim. Don't care too much. I got a quick repair. Just bang that out. Put it on the back of the van. And keep on trucking. Well, it's actually a van, so keep on vanning, right? Van life. But yeah. Other thing. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get the spot that you want. So like, you could use sometimes like, see, this one's a double-sided. It's a dull blade. I have an axe to do axe stuff, and I have this thing to do sledgehammer things because I lent out my sledgehammer, never got it back. So I gotta use what I have, right? So yeah, you could take another heavy hammer, beat on it, bam, on this side. Sorry, I'm using my pinky because I'm holding this up. Bam, check it out, bam. Beat on it right there, and then you could get a more accurate hit, because sometimes you just beat it up like this and you'll see like the little suds, they'll start going away. I'm using one hand, so like you know, just keep doing that till it goes away. Wipe it down, spray some more. Imagine if you were using two hands, right? If you're using two hands, you get a better hit. Yeah, see, so you look. Get my big head out of the light. So you see how it's fizzing up? It's kind of hard now, but there you go. You see how it's bubbling up? You just beat the heck out of that until it stops bubbling up. And it'll be, well, maybe not like brand new. You probably feel this if you have it in the front. You might get a little bit of sound. But the thicker the wall on your tire, the less of that you'll get. These aren't exactly super low profiles. A 22 on, I think it's a 40 series. But I was taking the back route from Las Vegas. Yeah, quick story. I was taking the back route from Vegas to LA. And there's a huge pothole as soon as you turn into that side road. And I saw it. I didn't think much of it. I was like, whatever. It's probably about a quarter inch or whatever. Nah, I don't know how big it was, but yeah, it messed up the back and the front side of this rim. So, but I already banged out the front side, so working on the back side. But yeah, quick tip. So till next time.